I'm back. We got a couple new projects in the house while I was gone.
Certain times of the day, it'll give off different shades of green. In the evening time, it'll look black.
Yeah, like I actually have never seen a car wrapped in this color. I have to change those tires. You cannot drive with that.
Art of motion on it.
Yeah, it's only an art of motion.
It's so much more aggressive. Massive. Like, it's crazy how that little thing transforms the front end. Buddy, that is insane. I'm back. We got a couple new projects in the house while I was gone. Corvette over here, small accident. We have a bumper that's broken, diffuser that's broken, and there's also a sensor that's giving a fault on the dash. So we're gonna get that fixed. Yeah, there's a blind spot monitor on both sides on the bumper. It's actually located right behind here. So with that little impact, it obviously already threw a code on the dash, so the customer is seeing that when he drove it. This is why, again, we always say it might look like a small fender bender, like a very small scratch, but the sensor is a couple $1,000, the reprogramming, all that jazz. And now this customer would have had to pay out of his pocket if he just had taken some cash from the side of the road, whoever hit him, right? So sometimes, obviously, we always say, hit us up. Let us look at the vehicle. Even if you did want to go cash, let us look at the vehicle, diagnose it, and then if we need to take apart the car, we'll take it apart so we know exactly what's damaged, right? Automatic door close. Bro, these are so nice. Wow, I feel like I could just go to sleep in here right now. The Dawn, we did another Dawn. It was with a dark blue. Oh, this is dark blue, yeah. That was black for a second. So same thing, dark blue with the Hermes interior. No, so the Rolls-Royces, all of them have this suicide door, whether it's a 4-door or if it's a 2-door. But the Dawn is because the roof comes down.
Oh, it's a convertible.
So that's their version of saying a convertible, right? So this one is the Dawn. We're actually gonna be wrapping this. It is in this dark blue color right now, which complements the interior really well. But I think the customer wants to go with a Miami blue. My boy Shaq actually has one exact spec in New York. I think he actually just got rid of it. It was wrapped in the same Miami blue. It had polished brush wheels, orange interior. So it's kind of gonna be in that same spec. And this is another one for our boys, over across the street, Mr. Andy.
Do the pinstriping with the wrap. Like, would you still do?
Yeah, we can do it. Obviously, it's not going to be like the one on the car now, like by painted on. This one is painted, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes, the cars will come without it. Like they didn't pay for the option and then they'll just add that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can make this. Make this again. It's not a problem.
What would you do though? Like knifeless?
Knifeless tape.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what you said.
Knifeless tape, we'll lay it and it'll just be like as if the guy was doing a pinstripe. So we'll lay that, come back to the same point. So what we'll do is we'll layer this down. We'll put the knifeless tape on there. And then that way, when we peel it, we can even maybe have the same one show. I don't know. We're going to see how we're going to do it. Oh, yeah, you can see the swirls. This is what happens when you go through regular car washes. You can see all the swirls and
Yeah. Like,
just what it does to your paint. Again, a lot of people, they don't realize, how you're supposed to wash cars. They just think car wash, it's a car wash. Yeah. But this is not the case. When it comes to, obviously, a car this caliber, you definitely don't want to be doing that. I don't care if it's a Honda Civic. I would never go through those touch car washes. If you absolutely need to go through a car wash, touchless, always early in the morning or late at night when your paint is cool, brakes are cool, wheels are cool, and then dry the car down with just like blowing it off. Don't use a cloth because keep in mind with a touchless, nothing is agitating the paint and it's not really taking off all the dirt off your car. It's the worst. So that's just like going through a touch car wash, because imagine when you come out of those touchless car washes, most of the times your car is still dirty, especially if you haven't washed in a while. It doesn't do anything to your car, right? You'll see it the most on a black car. It'll still look kind of grayish brown, not black. So imagine now you're taking a cloth to take off that dirt, you're just swiping the dirt all over the place. That's why when we wash a car, we power wash the shit out of it first. We put down the soap, let the soap take off as much dirt, spray it off, and then refoam it, then agitate the paint panel by panel, 2-bucket system. That's a way of, keeping your paint looking like brand new. But this is horrible, bro. Like, this is bad. But yep, so if you do want to clean your car and you do want to make sure it looks good at all times, find a detailer close by that'll do a hand wash or come to you. Or hit us up. If you've done work with us, we'll entertain it. But otherwise, we're not just a detail shop to just send your car to get cleaned. But if you've done work with us, we'll make the time for you to clean your car.
Look at this.
You're sweating.
It's not that.
You're working hard.
I'm working, bro.
I'm not working either.
Yeah.
See?
I'm filming you right now.
Not sweating.
YouTube guys now.
YouTube guys here.
So, okay. What do we talk tomorrow?
All right, guys. So we have this Lexus from Downtown Lexus. It's here for full body colored PPF.
What is it? You said this car is like pretty
Yeah,
rare.
it's the ultimate edition. So it has a plaque. I don't know if you could get that on camera. If you come around this way, it's number 86 out of 500.
Art in motion only.
Yeah, it's only an art emotion.
Well, technically after it leaves here, it's 1 of 1.
Yeah, we should change the plaque up. 1 of 1.
You should imagine making your own plaques.
Yeah. There's a lot of people that do them now. They have laser engravers. So you just literally get the metal plaque, like whatever design or style you want, and they can actually laser engrave whatever you want written on it.
Yeah, I guess you can put in the door seals.
Just for trunk, how many holes?
For one piece of plastic,
Yeah, just this for hole. Look at this.
we gotta hide the factory color. So disassembly is necessary.
And then what is the color this is going? Can you show us? You said it's like an emerald green, right?
Yeah, so it's like a very metallic green, but in certain lights actually. Yeah, so you can see the metallic. So in certain times of the day, it'll give off different shades of green. In the evening time, it'll look black.
That, it just looks black.
Yeah, that's black. Then when you're out in the sun, look at all that metallic flake in there. Second car we're doing for them, they were in love with the car that we did with them previously, the green Goblin, the green Lexus that we wrapped. So this is actually a sold unit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the customer actually came here, picked the color that he wanted, and then we went from there. The issue with this color, because it's not like a black or a dark paint, it's gonna be very hard to hide all the factory gray. Yeah. If you want something like this, like a colored PPF, or even if it's like wrapped, best thing to do is start with a black car.
Different? You never see this color.
Never seen the color.
Yeah, like I actually have never seen a car wrapped in this color. You just gotta get it clean more often, bro. I told you, hit me up.
Bro, I know, I need to.
Just hit me, be like, yo, just call me. You can sit here for like an hour, get some, chill on your phone, bro. Like an hour will bang it out, you know? Because nothing washes it like a hand wash, ever. And I see
That's
you,
what I need.
and you've been using the regular car washes. I seen that time when it came in, I'm like, bro.
Desperation, bro.
I know. But even those touches, they don't ever clean the car properly. The dirt's still on it. Back. I would like, for this stuff, it'll be quick.
Yeah, it'll be quick.
Like a day, 2 days.
Okay.
So just check your schedule, let me know, because the holiday season's coming up. So I wanna get it like,
Yeah, I'll let you know.
you know, and then we'll get it cleaned up and all that stuff. Are you driving this to the States at all? No, just leaving it here. Okay. The wheels, one time, I guess just wash them. Yeah. Oh, yo, there's a, you see this? Ochai, you got a gash in this too, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Probably like a bad pothole. That one's split too? Oh, shit. Yeah, bro, both. Oh, that's really bad, bro. That only happens when you go through a pothole. Is it on that side too, or? So this side probably went through a pothole, boom, boom, on one side. Yeah, so you can't, you're gonna have to change those tires. You cannot drive with that.
Oh, just blow.
Yeah, you can't. It's good. It's not going anywhere. Solid table, bro, come on. Solid. The one that he made for me was actually really, really good. And then you can make it how strong you want, so depending on how much alcohol you put in.
Yeah.
Right, because you know, like with, so you know with cologne, they have eau de toilette, eau de perfume, and then perfume, the strongest. Yeah. Yeah, you can get like with us hammering shit, like you get the camera going with the hammers. I don't know, just something cool, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Give him the rundown, and then you can kind of do like a montage or whatever of him actually making it.
Yeah.
All right. Fucking bass in the background is going
Oh,
crazy.
yeah, no, I can't wait to pause that for like.
I think he's tuning. Because you can hear that in the background.
Yeah.
Can you see them in the background too?
A little bit, but not that much.
Okay, let me ask him how long he has.
He's just tuning it.
Yeah? Okay. Couple minutes? Okay, because we're filming, because we can't get the music thing. No, it's all good. We'll wait. He said a couple minutes. Yeah, it sounds sick. The bass is hitting.
All right, so you told me there's 3 scents that you really liked.
Yep.
We have the Creed, the Baccarat, and the Chanel Blue.
Okay.
So I brought my own versions of those. And I brought an extra one. This is Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is smell these oils, see which ones you like, and then let's make a custom mix.
Okay, sick.
So let's get started. This is Creed Aventus. You said this was one of your favorites.
Oh, yeah.
So that's our own version of it.
Okay.
We basically did an inspired version of Creed Aventus. And let me know how you like it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah?
It smells super, super nice.
And then we have the Creed Aventus Absolute, which is a bit more of a masculine version of Creed Aventus.
Yeah, it has a bit of a muskiness.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorites.
Okay.
Then we have the Baccarat here.
Baccarat, that's
This is that rich
yeah.
song.
You can just smell like Dubai, you know? It's Dubai money right there. Come on. Okay.
And then I brought you one of my favorites. This is Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill. Again, kind of like Creed, but a little more fresh, fruity, you know?
Very, very nice. So we're gonna mix it up and do something cool?
Exactly. So either we could do each individual perfume or we could do a mix. So for example, let's get the Creed Absolute and let's get Baccarat. Mix those two, smell those two together.
Oh, wow.
You know? So
Very,
you
very
can,
nice.
You can kind of make your own custom scent.
Yeah, you get a bit of summer fresh and you get
Exactly.
that musky vanilla
Exactly.
money scent.
So you're making a fresh scent into a scent that you could wear during the day, during the night, whatever you want, you know?
Okay.
So what do you think?
I actually like that a lot.
You like those two mixed?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
then we'll do maybe the Ventus and the,
the Pacific Chill?
yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah. So you'll do Baccarat up to 10,
Okay.
Pacific Chill up to 10,
Okay.
and then we'll get one of those beakers and just for like the cinematic, just, you know, put them both together
Into one beaker.
into one beaker, and then we're gonna put some alcohol in there.
Okay.
Let it mix over here, and yeah.
What does that do? It shakes it?
Basically, so that pill over there, there's a magnet right under here, so it just basically mixes the perfume, and it kind of looks nice for camera too.
Oh, sick.
Some old doing here. All right. All right, let's do this. El Chapo's gonna see this and be like, yo, let's start pushing this, you know? Okay, sick. All right, so
So we'll get the Pacific.
do you have like a, or just pour it in?
Pour it in.
Wait, don't do it yet.
That's pure oil.
Yeah, there we go. 10 and 10. This one's thicker than that one.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Boom, chicka bow.
Nice.
Done.
You're an expert now.
Turn it on,
Turn it
all the way.
Let's do middle first, and
Okay.
then towards the end we'll go to.
Oh, what the?
How did it do that?
Magnet. Oh, that's so
pill is a
cool. So it's not even a real pill.
Oh, the pill?
You reuse it.
Metal thing, yeah. It's like a mixer. It's like a.
That's so dope. What? Odd thing, bro.
What cars do you have in that?
We're gonna edit some stuff out because I gotta take the cities and stuff out.
Yeah. Put like two of your.
Shit.
Put
Motion.
the M3 and put like the GT3 RS or something.
Yeah, but this is already edited. It's just
Yeah, true.
it's hard, right?
Should be perfect.
Gucci. Yes. Oh, buddy. Smells so good,
Very nice.
right?
Very nice.
Beautiful. All right, so now we gotta put on the thing cap.
Nice.
Where's the hole? There we go. Hey, usually I'm good with the hole, eh? That's it.
Nice.
Ready? You spray it. Get a little thing. You spray it like this.
Spray it.
So I'm gonna spray like this. I'm gonna walk into it. Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Let me pump it first.
Yeah.
Get the fluid in there.
It's a pressurized spray.
Oh, okay. Okay, ready? How'd it look? Or did I
was
go in my
sick.
eye? Did it go in my eye?
No, that actually looked good.
Okay, sick. All right, guys, if you want your own custom perfume, you know where to go. Enchante Perfumes, the best of the best. And this is where I'm getting my cologne from. You always ask how I smell so sweet. Now you know. Let's go.
Thank you, my bro.
Done this beautiful project over here. Car came in about a week and a half ago. It was involved in a collision, full side swipe. We got it back OEM spec. We actually did a lot more. We powder coated the wheels in triple gloss black all the way around, not just repaired that one. We also did a 6-year ceramic coating on this, made the paint pop. That's why it's so shiny. Yeah, it looks like a brand new car again. He got some stuff done somewhere else, like some wrap stuff here and here, some plasti dip stuff, which I don't do plasti dip. But the truck looks beautiful. It's all done. Customer doesn't have to pay a single dollar out of the insurance. And this is why we always say, hit us up if you need anything done with insurance. Yeah, 100%. For the amount of cars that came in just last week while you were gone, it's crazy. We had some snow yesterday too, so I'm sure we'll be getting some calls. We'll be getting some calls the next few days. You know, people are probably just calling their insurance company and stuff. But yeah, if you're ever involved in a collision, you know where to go. We are your one-stop shop. Yeah. The color is gorgeous. It's a color you don't really see, especially on Denali's. People always get black or white. Yeah, it's a very nice color. It's like a blue, gray. At night it looks black.
Yeah, insane.
Yeah.
Well done. Holy
We do. Powder coated all the wheels, so they were painted. Whoever did it, I guess the dealer, they spray painted it.
Right.
And put just gloss clear.
I think what they had repaired, the on-site repair guy.
Yes. Yeah. But so either way, they sprayed it with like an airbrush, and wet paint, well, it always reacts, right? So again, stripped it, sandblasted it, powder coated.
I won't be using them ever again.
Yeah, no.
Very particular with my units. I have 5 whips and I like it pristine condition.
Yeah, his cars are crazy. We're gonna get some. We're gonna do some dope projects. So much more aggressive, massive. Like it's crazy how that little thing transforms the front end.
That needs to be done on
Every car, I do it on every car. As long as I mean, 9 out of 10 they want it. Like they will take it.
See like another one, it's gonna look ugly.
Yeah, bro. So you know, obviously Euro spec cars, it comes clear, or they just don't have anything. So like even these, they has a reflector on the bumper instead of the headlight. It looks so much better, right? That's a wrap. It's even more orange peely, and it doesn't look as glossy, which it's weird because the metallics overpower the gloss. If this was just a gloss PPF without any metallic, oh my gosh, even less. But wait till, I'm excited to see this right now.
You can see the difference, like
yeah, you can see a difference. Orange peely, there's imperfections in the wrap. Yeah, that's why PPF is gonna change the game. It just, people have to have that budget now to go to that next extreme, right? A few years ago. Yeah, it's double the price. So like people have to really want to, one, keep the color on the car for a long time. I think what's really changing it,
if it's like a year or two type thing.
couple years, you know, and like, but this is gonna change the game, especially for Porsche clients, BMW clients, anyone that has individual colors that you can't one, get, or it takes too long to order. And then the price. Like you even look like a Range Rover, for example, like a satin black Range Rover, for example. Yeah, so why not bring your car in? We PPF it, we give you stealth PPF, you get the protection and that. Now metallic is wild. Now close the door. Buddy. Oh, it looks crazier without the glasses.
Yeah, I was gonna say you have the glasses.
Wow.
You have metallic from under the screen.
Yeah, that is actually insane. Yeah. All right, let's put it in the middle. I'll take my quick shots, right? Can you see it in the camera? Buddy, that is insane.